Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about another aspect of being an artist is being a designer, selling your work on the online space. So today I'm going to be talking about selling your art and design on Etsy, on Amazon, or even on the eBay, like those all big marketplaces, how to sell your art and designs on these big platforms. So I'm going to be covering some few important topics about this in this video and how to make money on that. So let's get straight with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. And if you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make money. The link in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section, and it is a full commercial license so you can use it. Let's talk about selling our work. Now guys, recently we have launched to 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, so thank you so much for that. And also we have an exclusive email newsletter coming to your email inbox each and every week. Right now it's on the wait list. Make sure you subscribe to the email newsletter. The link is in the description box below. It's completely free, 100% free, and each and every week you're going to get a juicy email newsletter which will going to contain important tips to sell your work online, print-on-demand tools, or even essential tools as a designer, as an artist, and a lot more about making money online in that email newsletter. I will be exclusive email newsletter. That content won't be there in any other online platforms, even on the blog or even on this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe if you love making money. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about selling your artwork, selling your designs onto the Etsy, Amazon, and all those big marketplaces. Now, being an artist, there are so many routes you can go by making money online as an artist or as a designer. You can see either sell your work. I have made a bunch of videos. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. But out of them, I'll be covering one of the major part of selling your artwork on the Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and all those big marketplaces, because they have the huge audiences, they have the huge customer base already, and you can utilize to make money online as an artist, as a designer. Now I'm going to talk about is the competition. These marketplaces have a huge customer, but also the competition is huge. You need to pick up a niche and you need to do your research. What kind of work is selling on these platforms and what kind of work you can create to sell and supply to your customer. So let me give you an example. One of the most common type of artwork that sell, and I also did that much more before, not now, was abstract art forms. Abstract art forms sells amazingly well. And if you are an artist in creating the abstract art, or even if you're a designer and creating the abstract form of the designs, then you can very well approach this market on these places. You need to do the research, what kind of people are purchasing, what are the people already selling such kind of work, their niches, their keywords, their title, tag, description, and doing the all research work. You have to do it guys. It's the homework before actually getting started with opening up a shop on this platform and started selling them. So that is the thing you need to do. Another thing you need to choose whether you going to be physically delivering your product to the customer, or you'll be going the digital product route, or either you're gonna go with the print-on-demand route. Now these three routes are completely different. If you're creating your original artwork, you are an artist and you want to sell your original artwork, then obviously the first route is the best for you to actually ship and deliver to your customer and all those. But if you want to go with the digital product route, you can sell the digital product only on the Etsy. Amazon don't have that facility of selling the digital products so far. Maybe in the future they would have one, but Etsy only have the digital product. You can create a digital art printable or digital designer print that people can download them after purchasing it. Now there are so many people selling digital art printables or art printables onto the Etsy. You can very well go and check it out. There are so many people in various different niches, and you can check the sizes, what kind of sizes they are creating. Are they selling 6x9, 7x9, A4, US letter? What are the different sizes in which they are selling? What are the kind of the patterns? You can do the research depending on your niche and category, and then go for something which is not that competitive and is in the demand. So this is the second route, that is the digital product. You're converting your artwork, your designs into a digital file which people can download after purchasing it. The third route is the print on demand. That's an amazing route as well. You can connect the integrate the Printpool, Printify, Guten with the Etsy, with the Amazon, and can start selling your print on demand products on these websites. We're going to print your design, your artwork onto that product. We're going to handle the delivery and shipping to your customer on your behalf, and you just need to sit back and just just pay that print on demand company that especially for that particular product, and that's all you need to do. You don't need to deliver, ship, and all those, and customer will going to get the product, a physical product, and that would be a white label, would be your own brand. So it's an awesome way to sell the physical products. Now, each of these three methods have their pros and cons. The first method, where you're selling the original art or maybe art prints by yourself, it's a little bit messy, guys, and if you are a beginner, then you feel that it's okay, I can print it and I can send it. But later, if you're getting more customer, now it would be so much time consuming and so much messy for you to actually deliver each and every product to your customer by your behalf. So that is a little bit of the cons over here, but the pros is that you control the quality of your product, you control everything about your product, because you're making that, you're shipping that, and you're delivering to your customer. So you control the quality and all those stuffs. Okay, and this is the pros and cons of the first idea. The second one is a digital product. In the digital product, the first pros is kind of like a passive. You don't need to deliver it, you don't need to do all those kind of stuff, and you are surpassing them directly to providing the digital files when people are purchasing them. So that is an amazing route to the passive income. The second thing I could say is it's much more feasible, it's less messy, and you can do it. Like, you can create multiple different files and can sell them on the Etsy. The cons I would see in this, that you are selling your digital files in the less price point. Like in the physical product, you can charge more, but in the digital files, you can't charge that much. So obviously you'll be getting less income, but again the profit would be good because the handle, shipping, delivery, and all those kind of like costs are not there. Now the third idea was the print on demand. For the print on demand, the pros is that it's again a physical product only, so you'll be getting good money. And the another pros is that you don't need to handle the messy part of shipping, delivering, and printing, all those kind of stuff. The company is doing on your behalf. You just need to sit back and relax and see what's happening. The cons of this is that you don't control the quality of the product. You don't control it. Of course, you can order the sample of that company and can see how is the quality and all, but moreover, you don't control much of the quality of the product, their printing, their shipping, and the delivery to the customer. You don't control it. So you don't have that much of control over it. So if you want to have a complete control of your product that you're selling, and you decide what you want to do with that, then obviously you need to go with the first route. So these are the three routes which you can pick up for selling your artwork or designs on the online space. Now, once you have done your research, you know what niches to target, what your title, tag, description look like, which of the idea you want to go, pick up that idea, whatever suits best to your interest, your hobby, or best your business, whatever it is, and then get started with that. And eventually, one advice I'm going to give you over here, that all these are third-party platforms, so you don't have that much of control. Of course, you're getting the customer beforehand, but you don't have that much of control. So on site, when you're getting some profit, when you're making some money from these marketplaces, then you can very well start with your own website as well, and can bring the customer from these marketplaces to your own website and get the sales, because on your own website you have the full control and you control it. And on these marketplaces, you don't have the full control. So you need to go with the rules of these marketplaces to get the money from that. The another point I want to cover over here, of course, these marketplaces have the customers that you want, but you can promote your products to get even more sales. The common route is to go with the social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. There are so many social media accounts, TikTok, you can go with that. Or either you can go with the search engine routes like the Google SEO, or you can start with your own YouTube channel around your shop, around your niche, and can talk about that, and then can send the customers to your shop on these marketplaces. Or even you can promote your products onto the Pinterest. I have made a videos talking about promoting your products onto Pinterest. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. But I find that the Pinterest is the most easy and most affordable way to do it. You really need to be consistent. Of course, on the Pinterest, you really need to be consistent as well. But on the YouTube is a lot more bigger deal than just starting with a Pinterest account, and it's worth it. So whichever route you want to go, you can go it. Another way of marketing is the email marketing. You will going to collect the emails of the people in return of giving them some freebies, some free bonuses, or maybe an off discount coupon codes on your shop, and then collecting the people emails and marketing your products via that. So there are so many ways in which you can do it. You can also, you can contact the Instagram influencers or YouTube influencers or even the Facebook and send them your product as a free gift to them, and in return they're gonna market your product to their followers and bring the sales for you. So influencer marketing is another route. You can also try the media marketing, contacting the magazines, contacting the third-party medias to promote your product on your behalf and doing all those kind of stuff. So there are so many ways in which you can promote and market it, but of course it's a better way you can promote and market depending on your niche and your category. Route sounds best for you. So that, let me know in the comment section below, are you selling your work on these platforms or not? How much you're making? Is it profitable? Or what's your review about it? What do you think about it? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.